shake.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. DJI 20 here, and today I have a DJI Phantom 3 standard, and I'm really excited because I just got this for my birthday, so yeah. Now I did already open it a little bit just because it was my birthday and I wanted to see what's inside, so you know, some of like the plastic might not be there and stuff, but everything else is in place where it should be. Yeah, so here we have your literature. As the guy in the tutorial video says.
Let's take a look at the literature. There are 3 items in the literature pack. We have safety guidelines and disclaimer, quick start guide, and in the box.
Who even uses that word?
Literature.
Anyway, so let's just see. So you got a bunch of stickers here, like a lot of stickers that I probably won't use for a while. Just your basic literature, as the guy says. Here it is. So let's just start with the drone first. Oh, here it is. So you've got your lens protector, your gimbal protector. You know, I'll probably always have this on while I'm traveling with it. Stuff like that, so you know this isn't wobbling all around. I have no idea what any of these ports are, but you've got a micro USB here, another one for the camera. This looks so sick. And then back here you have your battery here. But one thing I wonder is, why are these 150 bucks? Like, just for a battery? I don't know. Let's put
literature
to the side. So here's the remote. 10 years. So here's your controller right here. This spins around and you can tighten it so that when your phone is in, you can make sure that this doesn't, you know. And then you have your antenna here, 180 degree, so that's nice. You got your lanyard holder. Whoa, this is sick. So, okay, so you got your switches for modes, your camera control right here. Oh yeah, that's the sound. Next we have the charger. So this is for the battery, and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge this and get my drone registered while I'm waiting for it to come down. It's kind of windy today, so. But yeah, so, and then you have, let's see, micro USB to charge up your remote. That's at 75%, okay? I'll charge that too. And then you've got your, so this is, this plugs into here. So this is like the converter, AC adapter. So yeah. And then you got your accessories over here. So you know, you got like this thing which helps if your propellers get stuck. It grips it, and then onto the silver thing, and then you can just twist the propeller off, so it helps. You got your shock absorber things and your anti-fall, which is these clear things on the gimbal, and then some more landing pads. Oh, can you get silica gel? Oh, the propellers, the most important part. So you get, it comes in this really nice bag. You get 8 of them, so like, you know, you have spares. They spin a certain way, so like, for example, see how this one's just silver, and then this one has that black dot? You want the black dot, black propeller. See how this one's silver, and then the top one's black? So you want to make sure that you put the propellers on the right ones, or you're gonna have problems. That's so fun to spin. It's like those fidget spinners. Like look at this. Alright, here we go. So here it is. You just press, you slide to select which one you have. And I have the 3 standards, so you just press how to connect and stuff. Oh! Whoa! Okay, that was scary. Okay. Connect. Alright, so now you just go to your Wi-Fi, and then you connect to your drone. Now it'll tell you to enter a password, which is 1234 1234. So here it is. Right there. Whoa! Whoa, look at this. It works. It's working already. That is sick. So that's the sound of the gimbal motors. Wow. That is sick. Oh, forgot to pick up the cap. Hold on. And it's like a nice rubber, so it's not that plastic like that this is. So it'll stay on really well.